Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about iLovePDF app and what it has to offer, and more importantly, whether or not it's worth giving a try. If you frequently work with PDFs, having a powerful and user-friendly editor is essential. iLovePDF is a popular PDF editor that offers a variety of tools to manage, edit, and convert PDFs effortlessly. Available on Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, it provides both online and offline functionality. In this review, I'm going to explore its features, performance, pricing, and whether it's the right PDF tool for you. So first off, I would like to take your attention to features and functionality. iLovePDF is packed with useful features that make handling PDFs pretty easy and efficient. It allows you to merge multiple PDFs into one or split large documents into smaller sections. You can edit PDFs by adding text, highlighting, drawing, and inserting shapes, making it great for annotations and reviews. The app also includes powerful conversion tools, allowing you to convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPEG, and vice versa, while preserving formatting. If your PDF files are too large, the compression tool helps reduce file size without a noticeable loss in quality. Another standout feature is optical character recognition, aka OCR, which extracts text from scanned PDFs or images, making them editable and searchable. For security, iLovePDF offers e-signature options and password protections to keep your sensitive documents safe. Additionally, the batch processing feature allows you to apply edits, conversions, or compressions to multiple PDFs at once, saving time and effort. And then I would like to take your attention to the user experience and performance. The app has a clean and intuitive interface, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals. So whether you are on a mobile device or desktop, navigating through the tools is pretty straightforward. Performance is smooth, with fast processing speeds for tasks like merging, splitting, or converting files. The OCR feature is particularly impressive, accurately extracting text from scanned documents. And then I would like to take your attention to the pricing and subscription. iLovePDF offers a free version with access to basic tools, though it has limitations on file size and processing. For advanced features like OCR, batch processing, and high-quality compression, you'll need a premium subscription, which is available in both monthly and yearly plans. The premium version also removes ads and allows unlimited tasks. And finally, I would like to talk about my final verdict. iLovePDF is an excellent all-in-one PDF solution, perfect for students, professionals, and businesses. Its wide range of tools, smooth performance, and multi-platform availability make it a top choice for PDF editing and management. While the free version is great for occasional use, power users may find the premium upgrade worth it for its advanced features. Now, have you used iLovePDF? Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments, and I'll catch you up in the next one with more such cool app reviews. Take care, have a great time, bye-bye.